Welcome to last year's Cosmos. I am here now with another exciting part of Sikkim, the North Sikkim. Known for its immense natural beauty, highest green cover, it provides a truly natural feel of the Himalayas. Tallest hills, deepest valleys, roads on the edges of cliffs, green and snow. Oh, another heaven, but adventurous. The North District covers the largest area of all 4 districts of the state but is the least populated. We started to the famous destination of North Sikkim, Lachung, which is about 120 kilometers from Gangtok. En route, we stopped at the Bakcha Chu Bridge. It's a nice location in the middle of nature on a small, clean, beautiful river. If we travel a little further, we reach Seven Sister Waterfalls. Though it had less water now during rainy season, as the name suggests, the 7 different waterfalls harmoniously arranged sideways can be seen from a distance. The picturesque beauty of the fall makes it a tourist stopping point. Oh, that was a nice long road tunnel to squeeze through the hill. As someone said, there's a light at the end of every tunnel. Oh, there seems to be a tricky road ahead. The vehicles are moving very carefully, but I can see another beautiful waterfall at a distance. Yes, this is Naga Waterfall. It's one of the longest and scenic waterfalls. The main fall is quite far from the main road, and due to destruction that happened around, we could not go near the falls. Destruction! Disaster! Yes, that is the right word. It is the famous Teesta River that is flowing here. I was talking about heaven, but we are here struck with the view of a hell. Yes, a massive flood resulting from a glacier lake outburst from Lonak Lake together with cloudburst had wreaked havoc in the early hours of October 4, 2023 along this river. It claimed at least 94 lives, destroyed dams, washed away more than 10 bridges, and large part of the North Sikkim highway has disappeared, which we are seeing now. The disaster has been accompanied by a lot of landslides. We now reached Chungthang Dam on the way to Lachung. This dam was built on the downstream of the confluence of Lachen Chu and Lachung Chu rivers, which are the tributaries of Teesta River near the Chungthang village. The glacier outburst had created a sudden high wave in the flow of Lachen Chu, which had the power to destroy Chungthang Dam and create all the havoc with the resultant flash flood. During the travel, I was curious to know about the disaster, so I asked our driver Ayan Bhaiya, who was also our guide.
आज है हमारे साथ अयन भैया सिक्किम से। हम उनसे पूछते हैं ये डैम जो टूटा था लास्ट ईयर उसके बारे में। भैया, आप ये डैम टूटने के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं? ये कब टूटा, कैसे टूटा?
ये आपको जो नॉर्थ सिक्किम का डैम चुंगथांग का है ना, वो आपको नवंबर में टूटा था, लास्ट ईयर नवंबर में। और इसी कारण से ये रास्ता बहुत खराब हो गया। अभी जाम वगैरह भी इतना लगता है।
और ये डैम टूटने के बाद क्या हुआ?
नुकसान हुआ है। इधर का घर वगैरह जितना भी था ना, उधर नीचे का वो भी गया, रास्ता भी गया, आदमी भी कितना मर गया। और घूमने में तो बहुत मस्त जगह है, और आपको सब नॉर्थ सिक्किम स्विट्जरलैंड है, रिमोट एरिया है। आप जहाँ भी हो ये वीडियो देखेगा तो आप लोग बिल्कुल आ सकता है, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं होता है अभी।
जी, हैट्स ऑफ टू सिक्किम पीपल, जो नष्ट हुआ था उसको फिर से बना रहे हैं और बहुत रिकंस्ट्रक्शन हो भी गया है। आप लोग बहुत ब्रेव हैं। इधर ऐसे सिचुएशन होता ही रहता है क्या?
हाँ, इधर जब ये बारिश रेनी सीजन के टाइम में जब बहुत लैंडस्लाइडिंग चलता है इधर होता ही रहेगा, और आपको रास्ता बनता ही रहेगा। और इतना ज़्यादा आपको लंबाई तक आपको बंद नहीं होता है, वो रास्ता खुला ही मिलता है।
That's right. This Chungthang Bailey Bridge, which was washed away during the flood, has been rebuilt with the help of the Indian Army. This is the junction to go to Lachung, another very beautiful place in North Sikkim. We could not go there unfortunately, as the reconstruction of roads are still ongoing and hence was not open to tourists. Our next destination before we reached Lachung was Bhimnala Waterfalls. This is also known as Amitabh Bachchan Waterfall as it is very tall. It is gorgeous just by the side of the road, but it was chill out there. It's cold. Since the fall cascades down the rocky cliffs, it creates a mesmerizing display of water and mist. We reached Lachung in the evening. Lachung literally means small pass. The next day, early morning, we set off to Mount Katau. I was very excited as there will be snow to play. We were greeted by the Khanda waterfalls, which is on the road to Katau, almost halfway to Katau top. It's a milky white freezing waterfall. The waterfall is surrounded by snow. It was very cold out there, but I was enjoying the scenic view of the waterfall and the snow all around. I could not resist but to run to the snowy area to play. The Katau hilltop was visible, which was fully covered with snow, but since it was the China border, the military has restricted the tourists to go there. But no worries, we had enough snow to play here. I jumped and jumped and jumped through snow all around until my hands started freezing. We then headed back to our hotel for breakfast, and on the way, yaks, which are domesticated since centuries, were grazing happily. Our last point of visit in Lachung was Yumthang Valley or Sikkim Valley of Flower Sanctuary. The road to Yumthang itself was a joy to watch with snow all around. Yumthang is about 12,000 feet above sea level with chilling weather, serene river flowing by the side of a beautiful hill, hot springs, and is surrounded by spectacular Himalayan mountains. It is known as Valley of Flowers as zillions of flowers, the Himalayan primrose and rhododendron blow during the months of March to June. A tributary of Teesta River, Lachung Chu, also known as Yumthang Chu, flows in this valley, which is very clean, clear, and pristine. By the way, Chu means river. I jumped, ran, played around, and yes, played again in the snow. We next headed back to Lachung through the ever-memorable snow-covered beautiful road. This concludes my North Sikkim experience. Yes, it was a heaven, barring that destruction part. I must say this is one of the most beautiful places in India. With these everlasting memories, I will bid adieu to you for now, but I still have my Darjeeling visit of this trip to share with all of you in my next video. See you then.